Hello friends, this is Dr. Sandhya, consultant and infertility specialist working in Indira IVF Hospital, Bangalore. Today I would like to talk about IUI cycle, that is intrauterine insemination. It is a part of infertility treatment. It is recommended in a couple where even after marriage of 1 to 2 years, even after consistent trying for a natural pregnancy, but they couldn't achieve for a normal pregnancy. So in such couples, we recommend a higher step of infertility treatment that is called IUI cycle. So in this IUI, we evaluate both male factor and a female factor, where both are responsible, both husband and wife are responsible for infertility. So we'll have to evaluate both of them. Coming to the female, that is wife part, we'll have to see her ovarian reservoir, which is utmost important, through scanning or through blood investigation, which can come to a conclusion what is our ovarian reservoir which is present in our body. Even through the scanning, we'll even come to know how is the ovarian reservoir which is less. And for females who is having PCOD, where they have quite good amount of follicles, but they don't have ability to grow on itself. So in such couples, we recommend an IUI treatment. So it is even recommended where a female who is suffering with mild endometriosis, in such female also we can recommend IUI. And a woman who is suffering with the cervical factor defect, where it will destroy all the normal sperms entering into the reproductive tract, there we'll have to recommend for IUI cycles for successful pregnancies. So the prerequisite for this is the female should have a normal ovarian reservoir or a slightly decreased amount of ovarian reservoir, or in PCOD, with both fallopian tubes open and healthy, with a normal uterus, with a normal endometrium which helps in receptivity of the embryos. So coming to the male factor, before going to IUI, we'll have to evaluate husband also. So in such, we have to see the semen count. So this semen count is utmost important. Few husbands have less count, or few have normal count. Even after having a normal count, few have less motility in the active part of the sperm. So such husbands we recommend for IUI cycles. And few husbands doesn't have sperms at all, which is called azoospermia, where we have the facility of even a donor sperm, where we have a donor bank, and from that we can take a donor sperm. So the couple, while keeping relations, if the husband is having an erection disorder or if he is having an ejaculatory dysfunction, then in such couples we can recommend for IUI. There is something called as unexplained infertility. So in this unexplained infertility, both male partner and a female partner both are normal. Even after normal investigation, normal sperm for things, then also there is no pregnancies in the past 2 to 3 years, then in such couples we recommend IUI cycles. So this IUI cycle is usually recommended for 3 to 4 cycles. If the couples doesn't conceive in this 3 to 4 cycles, then we'll recommend for a higher step of treatment that is called IVF, that is infertility treatment, in vitro fertilization. So this IUI has a success rate of 15 to 20% in every cycle. So keeping that in mind, let me come to the process of IUI. How many visits is required? What is the process of this IUI? So most of the couples doesn't know about this. So this is a simple and OPD procedure where we, after evaluating both the couples, will call the couples to a clinic on day 2 of her menses. On day 2 or day 3 of menses, we'll start with the medications which helps in growth of good follicle. So after growth of good follicle, on 10th day we'll do a transvaginal sonography where we'll see the rate of growth of the follicle. If there is no growth of the follicle in this phase, we even give hormonal injections which helps in growth of the follicle and improving its quality. So after the follicle which has been grown to around 18 to 22 which is called a mature follicle, will give something called as trigger. This trigger injection after 24 to 36 hours will call the couple to a clinic and will take a husband's semen sample, will process it through a swim up technique or through other techniques of the semen preparation. Then we'll take out only the active part of the semen and then will through a small cannula under sonography guidance will inject the active part of the semen sample directly inside the uterus. So this helps in sperms to swim up till fallopian tubes, and the ruptured follicle which is already present in the fallopian tubes help in formation of the embryo. After formation of the embryo, after 3 to 4 days, the embryo travels inside the endometrium and it produces its roots with the endometrium and helps in formation of the pregnancy. After 14 days of the procedure of the IUI, we recommend couple to do urine pregnancy test. So dear, this is the simplest procedure which we do in our day-to-day OPD life. So if you have any doubts related to your infertility life or related to your investigations which have already there, you can call to the below given number and you can take appointment to the nearest Indira IVF hospital for the free consultation, and you can take advantage and you can take advice from the experts which are present, and you can take decision on the further treatment of the infertility. And even for the couples who have already tried more than 3 to 4 cycles of IUI outside, they can also come here and take expert advice and go further and have a successful pregnancy. Thank you.